Hi everyone, and welcome to the Vandal Career Corner. I'm your host, Saffron, career consultant here at the University of Idaho. We started this podcast to provide Vandals with career resources in an engaging way to help you navigate your next steps after your degree. This season, we will be covering topics from how being involved on campus can help with professional development, why you shouldn't use resume templates, networking tips, and much more. Be sure to follow or subscribe to this podcast so you can be notified when new episodes drop. At Career Services, we are a support service for students and alumni covering everything from resumes and cover letters to negotiating salaries, networking, and more. The point is, anything that is career related, we are here to help you. Your future is our mission. And as always, go Vandals!